Now into South Asia, still very high temperatures across central and northern India. Around the Nagpur region, we could be looking at the mid-40s Celsius or even higher over the next couple of days. But one thing for certain, as this week wears on towards the end of the week, we'll start seeing increasing amounts of severe thunderstorms across the north and the northeast. And some of these could be pretty violent with large hail and frequent lightning. Now, across the Asia-Pacific region, quite a mixture of weather going on. It's hot, dry and sunny across the northeast of China, with temperatures above where they should be for the time of year. In Beijing, 33 or 34 degrees on Thursday, but we're expecting a drop in temperature here as colder air moves out of southern Mongolia. We've also seen some heavy and flooding rain across northern and western Thailand.